Hi everybody, it's Lana Shalott here, coming from my home office in Fort St. John, BC, Canada. And I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to create a playlist for YouTube, along with that doing a custom thumbnail. So some of that information I will have down the bottom, letting you know what size of thumbnail you need so that you can, when you want to produce it, you can do it yourself. So YouTube has done quite a bit of changes in the last little while. So if I get a little lost, it's because it's done the changes, but I'm working through it and learning the new platform that they've done. So once you log into your YouTube back office, this is what you're going to see. And so you want to go to My Channel. And we want to go to Video Manager. Letting it load, really slow. And the other thing that we're going to do is go back to their custom, or I should say, Creator Studio Classic. It's a little easier to use on some things, and I'll just walk you through it. So one of the things that I've noticed for myself, and there may be a couple different ways to do it, but you need to create your video first, and then you can add it to your playlist. Before, there was a time where you could actually create the video, create the playlist name that you wanted to use, then create the video and add it that way. But what I'm seeing now is that you have to make your video first, insert it to YouTube, and then that'll allow you to create the playlist. So we're going to go to Creator Studio Classic. Okay, so this is where you want to look and see. So over here you can see playlist. Click on it, let it load, and these are all my playlists that I have. This here tells you that it's public. If I had something that I didn't want to share, it either say private or unlisted. And unlisted just means that that link that you have for that playlist, you'd be able to send out to your group that you just want them to watch and no one else. And if it's private, only you can see it. So we'll go over here to videos. And here's my videos. I've done some for a playlist. And we need to click on one. Let's use this one. And we would just go up to here. And in here is where you can create your playlist. You can name it example. And down here, it'll say create. And you just hit create. And then that name will come up, and the video that I just clicked will be moved into that example. Or the other thing that you can do is, I can just get rid of it. You can click if you want it to go to whatever group you're in. I'm just going to use PowerLead system, and it'll be moved into the PowerLead system. So we'll go back to our playlist. And if I go to PowerLead system, it tells me I've got 3 videos there. This one is deleted. Obviously I didn't like it or something. And I guess I'll have to go and find it and remove it. So the other thing that I wanted to show you was how to create a custom thumbnail with this. Because once you've done your video, you're ready to upload it, you're going to want to do a thumbnail for it. So the place that I go to make my own thumbnails are Canva. And Canva is a free site that allows you to basically build different types of templates and stuff that you can use for your thumbnails. So a custom thumbnail is to be 1280 by 720 pixels. And Canva will allow you to create that by using custom dimensions. Down. And so then we will type in 1280. And we go to design. And in here you can start with a blank. You start with a blank palette, and you can add some elements. I like to add shapes to mine. I picked one earlier that I was kind of playing with just to see if I liked it or not. Let's pick that one. So it's kind of like basically a drag and drop kind of platform that you can use. I just have to keep all within the box that you created. So I'm not sure if it will let me, but let's try. We want to go to fairly bright. Sure, let's use that. And then I will also want to add, you know, a YouTube kind of logo. And we do have some logos that are free that you can use. Let's use this one. And we'll go to a text. Now, some other text I really like. And what I've found is if you scroll down to the bottom, when I was in here earlier, and I'm not sure if they've changed it because they do have a paid section, you used to be able to use like part of this and then remove the rest. So I'm not sure if that because they wanted to produce an income from it, if they changed how they do that. So let's use this one. That's pretty good. And make it a little bigger. Yeah. I'm not really crazy about purple. I'm not digging it. So let's change it to black. And along with this, change that to black. And we might change the font on this a bit. So we can change it and go a little bigger. I think, anyway. Maybe that's all we have to do. So once we've got our custom thumbnail ready, so we're going to go to downloads. I like to change it to a JPEG. And okay, so once it's changed to that, you can download it. As you'll see, it's going to pop up here in a minute. Maybe computer's acting a little slow. So I'm just going to go to where it's located. And what I like to do is open the folder and then move it to a folder that is easy to find. So I'll just move it to my quotes because I've got a bunch of quotes in there. And if we go into quotes, just can't find it now. Yeah, right there. Create your playlist for YouTube. So then we'll go back to our videos. And once we have our video loaded, we can go back and fix it. So I'll just quickly show you. I won't add it because what I'm going to do is use this video. And maybe that's... So anyway, I'll just take you back to the video and show you quickly where you can upload your custom thumbnails. Home. Just kind of re-walk through some of the steps. My channel. Go to your video manager. Back to Creator Studio Classic. And we'll just use this one here, this LinkedIn background. Some of that hairdo there. Okay, sorry about that. I had to stop the video for a minute and figure out what YouTube has done because, like I said, they've changed it all the time. So the easiest way I found is I have downloaded TubeBuddy, and you can download it too. They have a free version and a paid version. So TubeBuddy allows you to do a little bit more that you can than on YouTube. So go down here to Thumbnail Generator, and in here you can pick what you want. So remember, I made a template in Canva, and I've saved it. So then you would just go here and upload your own image. So let's go upload, and I've moved it to quotes, and this is it. And I'll just open it up, but I won't save it. And there it is. So that's how you create it, and your own thumbnail just looks a little bit more professional. It looks a little better. So I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my video and like it so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. And thank you. Have a great day, and if you're looking for more information about what I do, please reach out and contact me. You can contact me through YouTube. I do have a couple other places listed there, my Facebook channel, along with my LinkedIn. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.